Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check your OneDrive storage. So let's get started. First, open your Microsoft account and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, go to the top left side of your screen and you will see the app launcher. Click on this and then select OneDrive. Now, inside the OneDrive, you will see at the bottom left corner the storage option, as you can see right here. And if you didn't found it here, go to the top right side and you will see the settings option. From the drop down menu, select options. Now, this will take you to your manage storage. And as you can see here, your storage summary. So that's it. You have just learned how to stay on top of your OneDrive storage. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.